burgers! Hey everyone, so my buddy Rye did a cooking video on how to cook a burger using just the charcoal chimney. And I loved it, I thought it was great. So I'm gonna try it, I've never done it before, so that totally means I'm gonna screw this all up. And it's probably kind of funny that I'm doing it on such a small barbecue anyway, when I could just use the barbecue and do the same, but no, it looked cool, so we're gonna try it. Yeah, so the way this works is, you know, this is your barbecue right here. You put your coal in there, you get it going, you put your grate on top like so, and that's it. Now the only thing I've done prior to this is I've cut little notches. I don't know if you can see that, a notch here and a little V notch here on both sides, so that the grate will kind of sit in there and hopefully not move as much. It's still going to move a little bit, but hopefully not as much. Anyway, I'm going to get this started, and then I'm going to go in and make a burger. Yeah. So I'm using these briquettes. Gosh, these look really small. And I'm not going to use very many because this turns into a bit of a rocket stove when you do it, right? Air coming in the bottom and fire shooting up the top. Rye said I should use 10 briquettes. I just asked him like a few minutes ago. I went online like, Rye, how many should I use? He said 10. And I said, no way, that's too many. But these are a lot smaller than I remember briquettes being. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Hey, that's 10. Okay. I don't know if I can show you this. Well, I'll bring the camera over and show you. So that's what 10 briquettes look like. It's just enough to cover the bottom. So I'm going to pop in just a little bit of birch bark to get them going. We'll start with this. It's raining all morning. I was hoping to fill up my barrels. I emptied them out. But like I've got like maybe 3/4 of one barrel. It just wasn't raining very much. Come on. Need to do the smoker thing. I was never a smoker. Oh, come on. 5 hours later. Oh, I got it. Come on, you can do it. Just put it out. That's the one. Alright, I want to make a burger. So for this burger, I've got a little bit of hamburger meat, and I've got some pork meat. I'm not going to use nearly that much though. I mash them together. This is actually the first time I've ever made a burger. I was thinking about that earlier. I've seen Alicia do it a number of times, but I've never done it. She likes doing it. She's really good at it. What do I put in it? Salt and pepper and shit? What else you put? I don't know. All right, I'll put something in it. You watch. Hey. This is going to be a big burger. Ta-da! Huge. Looking good. Looking good. Just moving around that one because it looked like it didn't Don't get any heat on it. Could actually do a few more minutes. Need to see more white. I think that's about right. This is a really thick burger, so I don't want it to cook too fast. Missed. There we go. That's better. We're off and racing. So while that's cooking, I'll just show you. I've got a great big bun here, which is good because that burger turned out huge. I'm going to do a ketchup and mayo sauce. Excuse me, ketchup and Miracle Whip sauce for all you haters. And I got some tomato there and some pickles. Yeah! So I quickly went online and talked to Rye and said, told him how things were going. And he said, it sounds good, but if you have some chips, like some maple chips to throw in there, you can get some added flavor. And I'm like, yeah, I got maple chips. Or at least I can make some maple chips. Yeah. And this, don't need many, like just a few. A smaller axe. Because I don't want the fire to get much hotter than it already is either. Where'd that chip go? That thing just flew. Where did that piece go? So I'm not adding many, like this many. So this is the part where I dump my burger in the coals. Success! Oh, looking good. A little bit of flame now. For all the money. That looks so good. Yeah. Yeah, it's raining here. Have I ever mentioned how much I like this deck? So this burger's taking a lot longer than normal to cook, so what I'm gonna do is you can just, I don't know if you can see it, there's just the coals are like mostly gone. I'm just gonna add a few more briquettes to the mess just to keep the heat going because it's taken so much longer. So I've added a few more briquettes just because the fire's going out, and I've got a few more pieces of maple that I'm gonna throw in there. Yeah, so she's about done. So I'm gonna add some, flip her one last time and add a bit of cheese and get the bun toasting. Oh, look how juicy that is. So the cheese isn't going to melt because it's way up here. It's nowhere near the heat. So I'm just going to try this for a minute. If I can get that to melt. Yeah. Oh, shit. Now that is a big burger. I'm going to put some stuff on that and then we'll take another look. So I put the pickles on the bottom because if you put the pickles next to the tomato, they'll slide out. So the pickles are on the bottom with the cheese, and then there's some tomato under there, and then I added some light iceberg lettuce. I didn't talk about that earlier. Mainly just for the crunch. And then there's my odd ketchup mayo mixture. Yeah, let's dig into this. Alright, are you seeing this? That is a burger. Holy crap. I was going to do a double-decker too. I thought, What saved me is you can't fit 2 burgers on that little open space. I'd have to use the whole grill. But I really wanted to use the chimney, so yeah, good thing I didn't do 2. Anyway, let's taste this. Alright, here we go. Mmm. Oh, so good. Mm. It's perfect. Just perfectly done. I moved a little bit into the light here so you can see it. Ah, it's perfect. Mmm. I do want to rise shots. Mm-hmm. Oh man. Mm. I'm dripping. None went on me. Dogs are gonna be licking the deck next. So good. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Me making a burger. If you like this, check out Rye's video. Let me put the title up here for his video or his channel, and then you can check it out. I don't think I can link his video directly, but take a look at his channel. I'll put the link in the description. Make it easier. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Cheers, everybody, from Raspberry Rock. I'm gonna eat this burger. It's so good. Oh. Yeah, I'm still eating this burger.